So in Spanish, we conjugate verbs.
Yes, ma'am.
We don't use verbs directly. We have to conjugate.
Yes, ma'am, like in French.
Yes. So first is ser. Ser verb. It means to be, and we use ser verbs for permanent and inherent qualities like physical appearance, occupation, time, day, date, etc. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first is
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, can we do the numbers first?
Okay.
Ma'am, is there any book I need to buy?
Yes, Aula Internacional Uno. You can practice after. Can I start numbers? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uno,
Uno,
dos,
dos,
cuatro.
cuatro,
No, no. Uno, dos,
uno, dos, tres,
cuatro,
cuatro,
cinco,
cinco,
seis,
seis,
siete,
siete,
ocho,
ocho,
nueve,
nueve, 10,
diez. Once,
once,
doce,
doce,
trece,
trece,
catorce,
catorce,
quince. A second. Quince.
quince,
Yes. Uno,
uno,
dos,
dos,
tres,
tres,
cuatro,
cuatro,
cinco,
cinco,
seis,
seis,
ocho, siete,
siete,
ocho,
ocho,
nueve,
nueve,
diez,
10,
once,
11,
doce,
12,
trece,
13,
catorce,
14.
catorce. Can you repeat
Yes, ma'am. Uno,
those? Hmm.
dos,
Hmm.
3,
Hmm.
4,
Yes.
5,
Yes.
6, 7, 8, 9,
Nuevo. Sí,
9,
nueve. Sí, sí, nueve. I'm sorry. Yes, nueve.
9, 10,
Hmm.
11,
Yes.
11, 12,
12. 12.
12, sorry, 12, 13,
Hmm.
14,
Yes.
15.
Yes. Now, DSC
16,
6.
16.
6. It
Oh, okay.
DSC
17, then 18,
yes.
19.
Yes.
I don't know, 20.
Okay. 20.
20. It's similar to French.
Yes. A little bit.
20. Wait 1 second. You forgot 18.
DSC 8.
Wait.
Are you writing it?
I'm written.
Okay. 21.
21.
22.
22.
20. 22.
22.
Yes.
23.
Hmm.
24.
Yes. 4.
4.
Hmm.
26. 6.
6.
26. Then 27.
Yes.
28.
Yes.
29. 9.
9.
9. And ma'am, what is 30?
30 is 30.
30.
30.
30.
30.
30.
Yes. 31.
1 second. 31.
32.
32. 33. 34.
Hmm.
35.
Hmm.
36.
Hmm.
37.
Yes.
38.
Hmm.
39.
Yes. Yes. 9.